Are you tired of feeling weak in your legs? Trouble getting out of chairs? Feeling wobbly on stairs? You're not alone, and you're not powerless. Today, we'll reveal one powerful, natural food that can help restore leg strength in just 12 hours. Backed by real science and trusted by health experts. Eat this and regain leg strength fast. Brain, Part 1. Why leg strength declines. As we age, our muscle mass starts to shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. After age 60, we lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass each decade. The legs are often hit first. This leads to weakness, slower walking, difficulty standing, higher fall risk. Asterisk. But what if you could fuel your body to fight back naturally? Part 2. The one food that rebuilds strength. That food is eggs. Yes, the humble egg. Cheap, widely available, and one of nature's most perfect sources of protein. But what makes eggs truly powerful for seniors is leucine, an amino acid proven to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. In simple terms, leucine tells your muscles to grow, repair, and get stronger, especially after a walk or light exercise. Backed by science. A 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who consumed high leucine foods, like eggs, saw immediate improvements in muscle strength and recovery, often within just 12 to 24 hours. Part 3. How to eat eggs for maximum strength. Beautiful breakfast plates, seniors cooking eggs. To get the benefits, here's how to eat eggs the right way. 1. Eat them after movement. Have eggs within 30 minutes after a light walk, stretching, or simple leg exercises. That's when your muscles are primed to absorb protein. 2. Aim for 2 to 3 eggs. This gives you 18 g of protein, enough to spark muscle synthesis without needing a shake or supplement. 3. Pair with healthy fats and veggies. Add avocado, olive oil, or steamed spinach. This boosts nutrient absorption and supports joint health. Plate example: 2 boiled eggs, sliced avocado, sautéed spinach, whole grain toast. If you're watching cholesterol, studies now show that moderate egg consumption, up to 7/week, is safe for most seniors, even those with heart concerns. But always check with your doctor. Part 4. Real stories. Martha, 72. I started having 2 eggs after my morning walk. Just a week in, I felt steadier, and now I climb stairs without help. George, 68. I had no idea food could make such a difference. It's natural, affordable, and I feel stronger every day. Part 5. Extra tips to maximize leg strength. Eggs are your foundation, but pair them with these habits for faster results. Move daily, even 10 to 15 minutes of walking boosts circulation and activates your legs. Stay hydrated. Muscles work better when your body is well hydrated. Avoid ultra-processed foods. These cause inflammation, which weakens muscles. Sleep well. Muscle repair happens at night. 7 to 8 hours is essential. Closing summary. So there you have it. One simple food that's affordable, backed by science, and powerful enough to help rebuild your legs, starting today. Eat eggs, move a little, and feel your legs come back to life. Stronger legs start with 1 egg. Like this video, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay strong. Subscribe, watch next senior health series.